How to create a hidden album on iPhone. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Click on Photos. You will see a lot of options appear on screen. Select the hidden album. If it is off, turn it on. Now go to your gallery. Scroll down. In Utilities, you will see Hidden. Click on it. There are no photos and videos right now. Go to Photos. You can add by selecting the photo or video. Select the photos. Click on three dots at corner. Select Hide. Click on Hide Photos. These photos were added to Hidden Album. Now go to the Hidden Album. Here are those hidden photos. That is how you can create a hidden album on iPhone. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.